In steelmaking, ladle relining is one of the most demanding jobs on the plant floor. Workers endure tough conditions, confined spaces, repetitive heavy lifting, shift after shift. Skilled refractory labour is increasingly hard to find, especially in markets like the US and Japan, where safety standards are high and fewer people are willing to do the work. And yet, until now, there have been no viable automated alternative. It's time to change that. This is Firehawk, developed by FBR to eliminate human exposure from one of the most dangerous jobs in heavy industry. Firehawk is a game changer in the optimization of steel production and the prevention of injuries. Powered by Dynamic Stabilisation Technology, the same field-proven system behind FBR's Hadrian construction robot, Firehawk delivers precision brick placement across its full 10-metre reach, automatically compensating for vibration and movement throughout the entire lining process. Firehawk handles the complete reline, scanning the ladle to map its unique geometry, compensating for wear and deformation, and then placing both insulating sand and refractory bricks in one seamless, autonomous operation. Operators simply select the ladle type and block configuration from pre-approved layouts, and Firehawk sequences the full reline automatically. No specialist programming, no workers inside the ladle, just consistent, repeatable results. Firehawk is designed for the realities of your plant. It handles ladles from 10 tonne all the way up to 350 tonne capacity, completing entire relines in as little as a day. Whether you're relining a small foundry ladle or a full-scale steel-making vessel, one system adapts to your entire fleet. At the heart of Firehawk is DST, FBR's proprietary Dynamic Stabilisation Technology. This system actively counteracts vibration and movements in real time, ensuring that every brick is placed with consistent accuracy, even deep inside the ladle at full reach. It's the same proven technology that allows Hadrian to lay blocks to a 32-metre boom outdoors, now engineered for the extreme demands of steelmaking. Safer, faster, autonomous. Firehawk removes workers from harm's way, accelerates your reline turnarounds, and solves the labour challenge that steelmakers around the world are facing. If you're ready to transform ladle maintenance and protect your workforce in the process, Firehawk will be there.